Good morning, fam. Sitting here, you know, trying to figure out my day. At my son's house, my son and daughter-in-law's house. And I'm just all on TikTok trying to figure out what's the next place to go and be a foodie at. And so I decided to try a chicken place. They're big on chicken box out here. They call it the chicken box. So I tried hip hop chicken when I came out here. Hip hop chicken is okay, but I know there's better. And that's what I'm in search for today. We're gonna go for lunch, so I probably won't even eat breakfast. Today's Friday. Why not eat chicken, right? It's Friday. Fuck it. So, I plan to do that with the mister. And I will bring you guys along. And yeah, that would be the highlight of my day. Looking forward to trying this chicken. I'm not going to say the name right now, but when I get there, I'll let you know, because I'm actually a little indecisive, because there are 3 places that I'm interested in, but only one is really resonating to me right now. So, once I finalize everything, I'll bring you guys along. We'll eat some chicken. Okay? I wish everybody well. I wish everyone is safe. I wish everyone is happy. Everybody out there getting their money and minding your business. Because I'm seeing a lot of things on YouTube and people are just not minding their business. And, you know, even though YouTube is a public platform, I get it. But I notice a lot of content creators take other people's content and run with it. They run with it for views and likes. You know, you use YouTube. Some people, not everybody. Just, you know, these content creators, they go on people's platform and steal their content and create their own content with things that you know, with stuff that you worked hard for to try to create, and then they tend and create a narrative on it. And I hate that about YouTube. And I really think YouTube need to make it a thing where people can't steal other people's content and then content on other people's content. You know, I think it's crazy. And I'm noticing people are losing their lives over talking ish and stuff on YouTube. People are coming for people. People are actually pulling up on people just by talk. The tongue is very dangerous, people. So dangerous. But I ain't going there. We all are grown. We all know right from wrong. Everybody want to prove that they tough. Everybody's not tough. But, you know, everybody, I've seen on YouTube also dudes talking a good game. And then once they smacked in the mouth, they act like little Mitches. You know? So the tongue can be very powerful, and the tongue can make or break you. It can make or break you. And I ask that everybody just be careful and mindful of the choices you make in life, because it's scary out here. People are not playing. People don't joke. You joke. Even comedians nowadays have to watch what they say. That's crazy. A comedian? I remember when I was a little girl, Richard Pryor would say the wildest things. If Richard Pryor was existing now, he would be banned from comedy, because he was spot on. He was about it. He was about it, you know. What? Oh God. I just feel sorry for people using people's content to create their own and to it's crazy, because it was done to me, and it's crazy. But anyway, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm new on this platform. I'm trying to do the damn thing. Sometimes my numbers are so weird. I just don't understand. But hopefully, from me doing maybe another 2,000 videos, maybe I'll start, because it seems like you got to be doing this for like 20 years before, you know, YouTube even acknowledges you. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go get chicken. Like I said, I'm a little indecisive on a few places. But I will definitely choose one. And the one that I choose, I'll bring you guys along. All right? Everybody stay safe and have an amazing day. Peace. So, hey, fam. Hey. So, we decided to go to the Northeast Market. And in the Northeast Market, they have a chicken spot in there. I'm trying to get out the car. I don't want to get hit. They got a, can y'all see it? Y'all probably can't see it from here. Hold on. Wow. I'm trying to wait to get out the car. Oh, all right. It's the Northeast Market. Thanks, babe. It's the Northeast Market. We're going in. Oh, God, I smell the chicken from out here. It smells like they use Lowry seasoned salt. All right, let's find the place. I've never been here. Let's find the place. We're in Bmore. I guess we follow everybody's going. Oh, you just walk right past it. God. You see the hubster, the whoopster, huh? It's a line. Which way is the line going? So it's Ronnies, chicken fries, and breakfast. Yeah. Kids want wings. 5 wings and fries is $11.60. What is the world coming to? What is the world coming to?
In the slushy drink?
No.
Like that trifecta one we got?
No. Alright, just wanted to show you guys what the chicken looks like. Can you guys see? Get a visual of what the chicken looks like. It's lunchtime, so it's about to be crazy in a minute. All right, I'll be back to show you guys what we bought. Peace. What's good, fam? So now we're back from Ronnie's. What's the name of the place, Vag?
Ronnie's Chicken.
Ronnie's Chicken at the
Northeast Market, downtown Baltimore.
all of that. This is what it looks like. I hope I didn't reheat nothing. I hope it tastes good.
All right.
All right. I need my I'm gonna taste one first, but I need my honey hot
Yeah, honey hot sauce.
All right, it's a
I'll taste.
it's a fry.
It's a wedge.
It's a wedge. Nothing too spectacular about it,
Okay.
but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I got 4 pieces. Thank you, son. Y'all. This is the bomb.com. So, okay. So this is the wings. The wings are pretty average. I don't like my wings huge. I think this is a nice size. This is a medium wing. I think that's good. So I'm going to bite into it and just let you know how it tastes. We can be one and done, right?
What's it talking about? What are you talking about?
It's crispy and very well seasoned. I shouldn't have even got hot sauce and ketchup on it because I usually don't put that stuff on my chicken. But I can taste all of the flavors underneath the ketchup and hot sauce.
It's cooked well done.
And it's cooked well done, cooked well, and seasoned very well.
Okay.
So, you in Bmore, check out Ronnie's. Peace.
Fish too.